Hi everyone, in front of me I've got FOSSiBOT F101 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly. So for example, you cannot touch tap on anything and your device does not respond. You can try to force restart it, and to do that we have to press the power button long enough until you'll see the black screen and the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press this button and keep pressing. Of course, we've got this restart option, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it because of the screen. As you can see, we've got the black screen, which is really good. We've got also the developer's logo, so we can release the finger. And right now the device will restart itself, and hopefully it will work perfectly fine again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.